Hey, it's Fuzzy. Okay, we're going to do a review on the Fanttik E1 NEX Workstation. All right, let's see what's in the box. Okay, this is probably one of the coolest things I've been sent by a sponsor in return for a review from Fanttik. Let's go through it. All right, inside is obviously your manual. You've got this little unit right here. I'm going to show you what that is in a second. And you got your charger, which is the C to USB. So pretty much like everything now, that's a good thing. Okay, so you can take your box out and let's go through it. Okay, so when you get it out, this is kind of what it looks like. It looks like an iPad or something like that, right? Yeah, it's kind of cool actually. So when you open this up, you've got a workstation pad. Okay. Now this is magnetic, all right? So when you get something on here, it sticks to it, right? And you can roll it around like that. But yeah, it's got all your measurements and stuff on here. It's got inches and centimeters down here. You've got your compass table and all that kind of stuff. And like this little U right here, it says that's a magnet, okay? All right, now when you open that up, you get yourself into a whole bunch of tools, okay? They give you a nice little pad here to work on, and it's very electric. This stuff sticks to it like crazy. Okay, so right there, you can put that down and you can work on that pad. Use it for putting bolts on or nuts on or whatever you want to put on, and go from there. Okay, now this comes with a 64-bit a kit, okay? So now I'm going to go through these first, okay? So you've got all kinds of little bits. You've got Robertson, you've got Phillips, you've got torque, all kinds of different torque wrenches, very small. You know what? I'm going to show you what this thing is. I think is for. The manual doesn't tell you what this is for, and I assume it's for picking stuff up. So you put this on your wrist like this, and then you can hold it like this. Okay, then you can, if you're standing up, you can drop it on the floor, and then you can it's on a little spring-loaded cord here, so it'll come back to you. But anyway, I assume it is for picking stuff out like this, okay? Because these are so small. But and it's magnetic too. So if you pick it up like that, you see that? It's kind of magnetic. All right. Now these are already magnetic because they go into a magnetic holder. All right. Okay. So like I said, you got Robertson, you got Allen wrenches, you got I don't know what these are actually. They're three edges on them. Now I don't know what that's called. I'm not familiar with that kind of a screwdriver at all, but it doesn't tell you in the manual what it is. But I guess if you guys know what you're talking about, you know all about this stuff. Okay. All right. Now it's got your nut drivers right here, and they're really small, right? Okay, so you've got all your nut drivers here, right from 2.5 millimeter right up to, I think that one's right there. I think that's the biggest one right there, and that's I can't see it. I don't know. It says a U. Oh, that's a magnet. Look at that. Look at that. That's a magnet. That's pretty cool right there. So you can take them out like that. All right, that's pretty cool. All right, that says oval. That round, I guess, eh? Okay, so there's your magnet right there. So if you need to put that on the end of your screwdriver or whatever, you can, pull a nut out that's set in where you can't get at, and you can stick that on there. Okay, right here you've got 3 open picks. So you can pick something off like this or whatever, right? Just helps you pick stuff. There's 6 of those in there. Okay, there's 3 opening tools, which is 6. Okay, so these are exactly the same on both sides, so you can pick stuff off whatever, right? And you know what's nice is Fanttik stamps their name on everything, so you know where it belongs and you know where it comes from. Okay, so you know what's cool is this magnetizer. Now you can see right there, there's a U on there, so that stands for a magnet plus. Okay, so if you want to magnetize something, you can rub it in there like this and then get it magnetized. Okay, this isn't, I think this is stainless steel, so that's not going to work. Okay, so right here you've got a little spot where you can lift up, and you can put, little nuts and bolts or whatever in here, stuff that you use, electrical stuff, whatever. Okay, all right. Right here, you've got a handheld suction, okay? So you can suction to whatever you want it to suction to and pick it up and go from there, right? That's pretty cool right there. You've got your jimmy right here, so let's show you what that looks like. Okay, there's a jimmy. And we're going to snap that back in there. And then you've got a blunt tweezers right here. Pull that out, and you can have a look at it. And then you've got an angled tweezers right there. Then you've got a reversed tweezers right here. All right, now this is pretty cool. Like, look at that. So you take this bolt over here like this, and you can take that, you open it up like that, and then let it go. And it's a good little spring in there, I'll tell you what. Yeah, so that's pretty cool. And these are plastic ends, by the way, so you're not going to wreck anything there. All right, let's put that back in there. Okay, then you got a metal spudger. Okay, so this is like if you're working with, I don't know about glue or paste or anything, you can put some paste on here and you can paste it on whatever you're working on and then clean it off and go from there. All right. Then you've got your spudger, which is probably more detailed stuff. It's got like a screwdriver end on it, a little hook on here, and a real sharp end on this side, so you can do some more like detailed work with that. Okay, now this is your halberd spudger. Okay, so this is just a different angle. You've got a hook on the end like this, and a curved end on here, very flat, and you can do some fancy stuff that you need to do with that one. Okay. Then, of course, you've got your flex extension, and that's right here. Now we're going to keep that out for a second, and I'll show you what's the main part of this whole thing is right here. Okay, so they're right here. You can take this off. This is just a safety thing right there. And then you push on this, and there is your screwdriver, okay? Now, right here is your charger, okay? So C charger there. Then you've got low and high and lock, okay? We're going to work on this printer right now and pull some bolts out, and you can just see how I do that with that, okay? And it's got a light on the end, so you can see in the dark, or if it's fairly dark where you're at, and it's nice and quiet. You can hear it here. So yeah, it's not very loud, okay? All right, now you can throw this on the end, and then you can use this for an extension, okay? So this turns like that. All right, we don't need that right now, so we're just going to put that away, okay? All right, we're going to put that in here, and then now let's go and see if we can pull some bolts out of this printer. All right, now this is a really small screws right here. Let me show you. Right there. I got nothing that size, okay? I looked through all my screwdrivers and I got nothing. So this kit is really saving me time, thanks to the sponsor, and I can get these out. Now these are a torque. Right here, let me show you. These are, I believe, this torque right here. And that is, it doesn't even have a, oh, it does have a number on it. Let's see. Number 10 torque, okay? I think this is the one. I'm not sure. Okay, let's go from here. Yes, it is. Okay, so now we want to take this back off, and you just put it on high or low. Now the lock position will shut the machine off. Okay, so right here, you'll see it on, and then the little line right there, you put that there and it'll actually shut it off. Okay, now if you put it on low, and then you can go lefty loosey righty tighty right here. Okay, so you just see which way you got to go. Okay, all right, now we're going to take that out. Let's see. All right, there we go. Yeah, now they're coming out real good. Now, if you got a problem with one that, you know, the screwdriver can't get out, let me see. Like this one right here. Yeah, that one right there. Okay, so now you just stop and you just turn it. Okay, it locks into place, and then you can turn it. And then you can take it out once it gets a little bit loose. Okay, and there you go. Now, this one here, look back here. Okay, that's not even budging, that one. So you just take it like this, unlock it as much as you can or think it's loose, and then take your screwdriver and go like that. Now, putting them back in, they go in nice and easy, and because they've come out from the factory, so they go in a lot easier. But all in all, I think this is a great little tool for small jobs, and I think you'd be happy with it. Fanttik makes some fantastic products. This small stuff is great for you know, your electrical, small electrical guys, computer guys, anybody that tinkers with smaller stuff or works with smaller stuff, and go from there. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe and like and all that kind of stuff, and catch me on the next one. Hopefully we get more stuff from the sponsors and everything like that. They can showcase their stuff and go from there. Take care.